How should we communicate about sustainability? This question has been echoing in the minds of researchers and advocates as they grapple with the urgency of climate change and the need to engage people who are often overwhelmed. Instead of giving an answer from the top of the ivory tower or getting carried away by the information highway, a team of researchers decided to co-create an answer. They planned 3 workshops and, armed with post-it notes and open minds, they gathered researchers, consultants, teachers, students, activists, artists and policymakers. At their first meeting in the Science Centre Experimentarium, the goal was to map sustainability communication. They organised lectures and let discussions fill the room. The researchers eagerly absorbed every bit of knowledge shared, but the participants wondered, when do we stop talking and start co-creating? An answer presented itself in the form of an artist with a map. Intrigued by this literal but playful interpretation of the session, a plan started to form. Why not share the map with the participants and let them play along too? So they took the map to the second workshop at the University Museum, Medical Museum. One group folded the map so theory and practice could overlap. Another drew a spider's web to connect all the elements. A third made the flat map into a cone with holes to show that sustainability communication is multidimensional. The participants were alive with ideas, interpretations, and complex questions. Energised, the researchers and the artists decided to try it once again, this time online. Could the magic happen there too? As the participants reassembled, they added animals and critters, and questions of monsters to be conquered and utopias to build flowed freely in the online format. It seems like this journey of reiterations may never truly end. Maps only ever show part of the world, but making them together can help us see just that. Drawing together opens up richer understandings of the problems that need solving. In the face of daunting challenges, aesthetic approaches can inspire us to create new pathways together.